one lady came because of her pension papers are stuck for 1 year. Then some came because of water connection. Some came for various other things. Like there was a group regarding the 20-point program plots that were allotted to them. So various issues. So I have requested our collector to study the matter and try and find a solution to their problem.
Electricity property acquire केला
No. What is the problem is, it looks like electricity department, when I was power minister, they acquired some land in Kungoli industrial estate. No, adjacent to Kungoli industrial estate. Now I think some unit of that had been established in Kungoli industrial estate has encroached into an electricity department property. So they've tendered the work to build a compound wall. But that private company is threatening them, obstructing them from constructing the wall. So I've spoken to the contractor. I have assured him that whatever assistance is required from the government he will get, but he should undertake the construction of the wall immediately to secure the property of the electricity department. And I believe once that wall is constructed, that encroachment automatically goes out. Cutbona, you should have come yesterday. Believe me, I was happy to see the progress on that jetty. And I think Santosh was there. He will agree with me that it looks a different place. And I definitely believe we have achieved a lot. But I once again repeat, we have achieved, whatever we have achieved has been due to cooperation of various agencies, including the Fishing Federation. Now, small things are remaining, which I think within the next 7 days will be resolved.
Toilet increase करपा लेला.
What has happened is that there were toilets erected by GTDC. There were toilets erected by Sulam, which were not functioning. Some of them were not functioning. So now they've got them back into action. So in view of that, we have reduced toilets from the private source. We have reduced the toilets by 1/3, by 33%. But it has also been agreed that we will review the situation. Based on the situation, we will consult the contractor who has installed those toilets, and he agrees that if we decrease this amount, it will not have an impact. The toilets, the 2/3 or 20 toilets that would remain would be sufficient for the labor.
I think the boat काम very difficult पैसे काढवा आणि
then they have to provide minimum amenities to their workers. They have to provide. That is their responsibility. They are employing them. You can't. They are not animals. End of the day, you and I are living there. End of the day, they have to appreciate that we have been able to bring that outbreak under control. And that is why I'm saying it was a joint effort of everybody.